I get no pleasure when the world is still. It's like a windmill that isn't turning. How boring. So I've decided to put things in motion myself. The first step is crushing the Leaf Village and its leader, the third Hokage. Have you ever felt the humiliation of being defeated by the one who once called you Sensei? Allow me to share it with you.
I knew this day would come. I should have killed you when I had the chance.
And now, you won't get a chance at all. Do it!
Ninja Art! Formation!
Well, it would be a bother if someone came and got in our way. Now wouldn't it, Sensei? You've become old and weak. Do you need a little nap, old man? It's Striking Shadow Snake! Out of breath already? You are getting old. I didn't think I'd win this easily.
I'm not dead yet.
Oh, but that was just a test. I have another little surprise in store for you. Summoning Jutsu! Reanimation!
First! What is this?
Second!
No, it can't be. Not those two.
And third!
I must stop that third coffin at any cost.
Since I'm fighting my sensei, I thought you might like to fight yours. The first and second Hokages.
You demon! They look exactly as I remember, but you lie. These aren't my former teachers, no matter what they look like. They're simply your puppets.
Really? Is that what you'll tell yourself as you fight them?
All right. Let it begin. You look just like I remember. There's plenty of life in me yet. Orochimaru. I'm reaching my limits. I'm here. This is the strength of a true shinobi. You don't belong in this world! And Shadow Clone! What? So you've mastered a jutsu that preserves your soul forever in the bodies of others.
Growing old is a sad, empty thing. I only have to look at you to be reminded of that.
You monster. I should have killed you that day. I wanted to believe that in you, I'd found the one worthy of succeeding me. But you never did understand what it meant to be a leader. To sacrifice yourself for others. I was weak. And my weakness then has brought us all this trouble now. But today, I will correct my mistake. Sealing Jutsu! Reaper Death Seal! First Lord Hokage. Second Lord Hokage. Forgive me. What have you done to them? What are you doing to me, old man? That thing is the Reaper? No! Old man, I will kill you before that happens. There's no need. This is a jutsu with a heavy price. I will take your life, but at the cost of my own. I hadn't the strength to remove your entire soul, but I can make your arms useless. You'll never perform the hand signs for jutsu now. Impossible! How did you even have the strength? This is what you could never understand. I fight for those who are precious to me. That is what gives me strength. I am the third Hokage. Our mission has failed. Release the barrier and take me back.
Hey, Sakura.
Naruto.
Sasuke.
I can't believe he's really gone.
What's the village going to do now?
Find a new Hokage, I guess. It's hard to imagine somebody else taking over.
You said it, Akamaru. I'll miss him too.
He was a good man, and an honorable leader. He died a true shinobi's death.
We were so busy fighting Gaara, I didn't even think about the battle happening in the village.
I guess I didn't think he'd ever die. I'll miss him.
Hey, Naruto.
Kakashi-sensei, why did it have to happen? Why did he have to die?
This is the first time you've lost a comrade in battle, isn't it? It's never easy, and it's hard to explain. He was our leader. In a way, the whole village was part of his family. He sacrificed himself to save all of us because we were important to him. Because his belief in us made him strong. And it wasn't just him. Many ninja gave their lives in the battle because the village and all the people in it are precious to them.
I understand. I think.
I think you understand better than that. When you and Sasuke and Sakura defeated Gaara of the Sand Village, you drew strength from one another, didn't you?
Yeah. When Sasuke told me I had to save Sakura, I knew I had to do it. Even if it killed me.
So you do understand. Gaara was a strong enemy. I'm proud of all of you.
That's the other thing I don't get. Why did the Saiyan Ninja attack us in the first place?
They say they were tricked by Orochimaru. He has a lot to answer for.
It's a shinobi rule. Never show your feelings. Keep your mind focused on your mission. No matter how much you're hurting inside, you can't shed a tear.
Sasuke, I wanted to say thank you for saving me. I mean, when we were sent to fight the Sand Ninja, I got knocked out, but you saved me.
I didn't save you. It was Naruto.
Naruto? Oh, you're being too modest. Naruto's gotten stronger, sure, but no way is he as strong as you.
I'm not being modest. You should have seen him. He fought tooth and nail to save you. He displayed a kind of strength he'd never shown before.
Hey, guys!
Good, you're all here. You can start right away. I have a scouting mission for you. A group of people have just settled near the village. We're not certain who they are. They might be enemies. You're to observe them and report back on who they are, along with their numbers and position.
Got it.
Right!
Let's go.
You know what to do with her, and find the other one. So now it's only you and me, Leaf Village scum.
Bring it on!
Their village must really be desperate. Ninja's job. Look at this one. He's gotta be the worst of the lot. The sooner we strike, the better. Their troops are completely weak, and they don't have a leader anymore. We wipe them out and take their homes. No more Leaf Village. Our timing is perfect. Are you even listening to me? Oh, never mind. I'll rewire the trees around the perimeter in case they've sent anyone else.
Who are these guys? I have to get out of here!
Naruto, it's about time you got here.
Where's Sakura? She's not with you! That means they still have her! We have to find her!
I'm fine. Sasuke, as soon as I saw you, I knew you'd save me.
We have to get back to the village.
Come on, let's go!
See? I told you I'd find them.
Do you think we would let you leave so easily? After everything you've done to us? After all these years of pain?
Boss, you sure about this? They're only kids.
What about the kids in our village back in the Ninja Wars? The Leaf Village didn't say they're just kids back then. They didn't care. We're going to burn their village to the ground, like they burned ours.
You won't be burning anything, because me and my friends are here to stop you!
Sasuke!
Sasuke!
Come join me when the job is done.
Sakura, take Sasuke and